Silky beat.
Honor X40 GT just launched yesterday. 144Hz narrow bezel, fast refresh rate display, flagship grade processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, sporty in design and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor X40 GT. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the white color box of Honor X40 GT edition. Let's lift up the lid. And first of all, we have got Honor X40 GT phone along with user manual, SIM tool, clear case and 66-watt power adapter and a Type-C to A cable. That's all in the box. Now let's talk about the design and build. The Honor X40 GT mobile phone has a new racing black color scheme which integrates the design concept of GT supercar into the body design. With the classic carbon fiber texture, the texture looks very layered and sporty. The rear camera part of the phone inherits the star ring elements of the previous generation equipped with the 3 cameras and flash. And the light green GT logo is printed in the center of the ring. The side of the phone is equipped with the power integrated fingerprint recognition module and a volume adjustment button is on the top. The handset of the Honor X40 GT is centrally located at the top of the body with a noise cancelling microphone on the left. The thickness of the phone is around 8.5 mm and the weight is around 199.5 grams. The front of the Honor X40 GT is equipped with the 6.81-inch LCD screen, supports Full HD Plus resolution. The Honor X40 GT supports a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and can be adjusted in 6 gears of 60, 90, 120 and 144 Hz. On the base of the 240 Hz touch sampling rate, Honor X40 GT also achieves a 480 Hz TP reporting rate through the AI Touch Prejudgment algorithm. And the screen response is more timely. The front center position is equipped with a hole-out front camera and the 16 megapixel can fully meet the needs of the personal selfies. The Honor X40 GT is equipped with the extremely narrow border on both sides and the bottom border has also been narrowed. Now let's talk about the performance. The Honor X40 GT, which focused on the gaming experience, has no doubt in the terms of performance. It is equipped with the 5nm Snapdragon 888 flagship chip equipped with up to 12GB LPDDR5 memory and 256GB UFS 3.1 flash memory. Honor of King mobile game supports 120 fps highest frame mode. After turning on the highest picture quality high frame rate mode, after a game test of nearly 10 minutes in a team battle, average frame rate was maintained at 117.6 fps. Next, the Genshin Impact mobile game test. The game is played for 10 minutes in the highest quality 60 frame rate mode and the average frame rate is maintained up to 57.6 fps. In terms of temperature, the highest temperature on the back of the mobile phone is around 46 degrees Celsius. In terms of temperature control, it achieves a lower power consumption and the heat generation compared with the mobile phone of this level, which is also due to 13-layer 3-dimensional heat dissipation and arterial cold pump adoption by the Honor X40 GT, as well as the VC heat dissipation area of 16,300 square millimeter. Let's talk about the camera. Phone comes with the rear-facing triple camera setup. The main camera has 50 megapixel and there is a 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth of field lens. You can see the sample photos of the main camera and the micro camera.
Silky beat.
The Honor X40 GT has a built-in 4800 mAh capacity battery and the fast charging inherits the 66-watt high specific fast charger power of its predecessor. It can charge 0 to 100% battery in just 47 minutes. The base variant price of Honor X40 GT in China is around 1999 Chini yuan. Converted in pound is around 247 pound and in dollar is around $278. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.